finished taking my shower and I am about to do a updated skincare routine. I was trying to find the words. I had my coffee. I'm gonna need some more, but I haven't posted a video in 10 months, as I was saying earlier, and the last one I posted was a skincare routine. Now, my skincare routine has changed a lot, like a lot. So I'm going to be showing you my new updated one. Guaranteed, I use most of these products every day. Sometimes I switch up my moisturizer depending how my skin feels. And so in Chicago, where I'm from, winters are very dry. So we're gonna need a little bit more extra moisture in our skin because I am normally combination oily, but right now I have been extremely dry because I don't even know. So let's get started. Starting off my whole routine by doing my hair, I'm putting the Aveda, I don't know which one, Nutri-Plenish. It's a leave-in conditioner. And so I've been spraying this on my ends or just anywhere my hair is extremely dry, just because I have highlights before I brush it throughout the day. So I do this and I kind of massage it in, trying to get most of the areas first and just to get it into the other hairs that, you know, the spray didn't get into. So I'm taking my brush. I don't have my wet brush with me. That's at my apartment. So we're just gonna have to use this one that I have here. But this one makes a huge difference. Always start from the bottoms because I used to not do that and I had some pretty bad split ends. But now that my hair is blonde as heck, I have to. So now that my hair is all brushed, I'm sorry if the lighting keeps changing. It's finally sunny out, so I'm using natural light. But I just brushed my hair, got all the knots out. Now I'm gonna go in with my Estee Lauder Hydrating Cream Cleanser, and I'm gonna be putting it on my Clarisonic Mia Smart. I'm just gonna wet this, wet the Clarisonic brush head. And if you can tell, there is a little hole right here. So where you're gonna be putting the cleanser in, I just need a drop of it for this because this will make my skin very fresh, exfoliate it quite a bit. I'm also gonna wet my face a little bit before, just so we have a base on where to put it. So with my Mia Smart, I'm just gonna be using the daily cleanse setting. So as it drips with water, I'm going to turn it on, and I start at my forehead, just going back and forth. So now that that's done, it gives you little beeps and it pauses just for when you should change the area. I don't always follow them just because I know my skin pretty well. So now that that's done, I'm gonna rinse the brush head off. I'm going to rinse my face. Pat my skin dry before I put my next cleanser. I normally use two just because I have two ones that do different things. And I really, because how dry and acne prone my skin has been lately, I normally use two and then a lot of hydration. So next I'm going in with the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. This is for all skin types. You could use it if you want. This is very gentle. That's why I exfoliate with the Mia and the Estee Lauder first, so that I can use this gentle cleanser for a little bit more hydration, because my skin is still a little damp. And this one is pretty safe to go near the eyes. So I'm going to drop to the forehead, making sure I get every single part of my skin. I used to always forget this little area right here because I would go around it and then I would watch my old videos and be like, huh, that's not right. So I have learned from my mistakes from even just watching myself. And pat it dry. So I just went and tried to find some cotton pads. Unfortunately, I don't have any here at the time. Unfortunately, it is. But I found some cotton balls. So I'm gonna use those, and I'm gonna be like using a kind of a toner type thing. It is from the same Estee Lauder, the same line. So this is the softening lotion. I'm just going to take this. It is really pretty. It has some gold specks in it. God, focus. When I shake it up, you can kind of see. So I'm going to take a little bit of this and just put it onto the cotton, not cotton pad, cotton ball, and start trying to remove any parts. I'm going to go in with a serum. This is Estee Lauder Perfectionist CP plus R Repair. I really only got this because I loved how it felt. It is an anti-wrinkle plus firming serum. And I know I'm not that old, but starting when you're young make a big difference when you're older. So I'm going to take a bit of this, put it all over the skin. I usually use an eye cream only at night, but lately with how much makeup I've been wearing, I'm getting dryness at the outer corners of my eye. So I'm going in with, of course, as I used to say all the time that someone told me, surprise, surprise, in my videos. Thank you. Same brand, same line. Renutриv, I don't know how to say that, but same as the first two things. Is their eye cream, so I'm just gonna take a little bit around my eyes. So we're on our second to last step. I'm going in with my favorite moisturizer right now. I'm almost kind of done. I'm like halfway done. Not really done, but you know. So this is the Dior Capture Youth Age Delay Advanced Cream. So this is for face and eye cream. It's smooth, tone, and retextures. I always just still use an eye cream just for a little extra boost. So I'm gonna take, you only need a really little bit of this. I didn't know that when I first got it, and I was like, I feel way too moisturized. Which, I mean, isn't that bad of a thing, but it almost looked not great for me. So I'm just going to massage this into my skin. I put a little extra on, I bring it down my neck. I have extremely dry lips. I always have almost all year round. So I'm going to be putting like a little lip gloss. They have a chapstick or I don't know, like a balm in this brand that my friend uses, so she got me this. This is the Lip Slip by Sarah Happ. So this is what my skin looks like when it is all done. It is very, very soft, smooth. It feels really hydrated, which I like because I always had the issue. I wasn't using the right products. I wasn't doing the right things. So once I went and got my makeup certification and everything like that, I started really caring about my skin just because I didn't understand the effects it would have when I'm older. So now I am taking really good care of it and I'm really happy. So I'm going to put on a little makeup, not too much because it is my day off, and continue my day.